Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial will illustrate how to create a username on Phantom Wallet. So if this is helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also give this video a thumbs up. So if you want to do that, once you head to your Phantom account, you click on your account up there. So now once you click on the account, you now proceed, you click on the settings. So now once you click on settings, you see create a username. If you've not done that, you now tap on that. So once you read the terms and conditions to create a username for your Phantom wallet, you proceed and you now click on continue. At this point, you now proceed and you insert a username you wish to use. So right there, this username is available. You now proceed, you click on continue. Then at this point, you select emojis and you now proceed to choose the one you want. Then you now click on save. So now once you click on save, you now click on continue. You proceed and you now click on continue. At this point in time, you're almost done with the process. So the last thing you need to do is to click on create username.